I think this lab is one of the most amazing stories in dentistry. They started out as a 3-4 person lab. I was working in the office of one of my first jobs, a dentist named Sherwin Simons in North Hills, and Tony was the delivery boy for Burbank Laboratory. Always enjoyed working with Tony in the lab because his mom made the best dentures on the planet, and they were so easy to fit. Everything just dropped in, and she was a pleasure to work with. And Tony's vision grew the lab into what you see today, this massive, huge, technologically advanced place that they're doing leading edge stuff. And this was all Tony's vision because his parents, they retired, and it was up to him to decide what direction am I going to take the lab. And I remember him saying, I'm going to build this up into something really big. And I said, sure, everyone's dream. But my God, he did it. And every time I come through here, I'm floored at the level of technology that I'm seeing. And he was always on the leading edge. Like in many fields, dentistry has gone through a technological revolution. He was on the leading edge. The investment he made in machinery and equipment Tony never knew the word no. It was always, what's the next thing? And, again, when you walk through this lab, it's like incredible.